Cohey Honma. I'm a director of MIME Research Association and also a member of ElfaHex Scientific Advisory Panel. So as you know, there's today WHO announced the pandemic for this current ongoing novel coronavirus. So as I have been working on this MIME ingredient for the immunity, so I would like to share our knowledge about this ingredient for our immune health. So MIME stands for Mycelium Immunomodulator Extract for immune support against various risks. And this is an ingredient used for your product, ElfaHex. And as a director of this research association, I have been working on this ingredient for different type of clinical applications. So starting about myself, I got a PhD in biochemistry and molecular biology from the University of Tokyo. And since then, I have been working in the development of nutritional ingredient. And as a director of MIME Research Association, I have been in many collaborative research for this ingredient. So talking about current situation about coronavirus, I'd like to show you the good website. This website is really provided by Johns Hopkins University of the United States. And it is capturing a good overview of the current situation of this coronavirus. I created a shortened URL, as you see here. So if you like to see the updated information, please go visit this website. So it is the facts about the coronavirus. So mortality is about 3.5%, which is higher than, for example, influenza virus. But important fact is very similar to other type of infectious disease. Severe case number is higher in older people. And this is some statistics from those references, that there's a strong correlation with immunity. In my opinion, as a biochemist, this is really similar to any other type of infectious disease. Immunity is supposed to protect us from any types. What we should do for this coronavirus is really similar to other type of infectious diseases. First is to avoid high-risk environment. And second thing we can do is to avoid direct virus intake by washing our hands with soap or detergent 20 to 30 seconds. And lastly, maintaining good immunity is really the key. Immunity is supposed to protect us from any kinds of infectious diseases. And to maintain good immunity, it's very important to get good food and nutrition. And resting and sleep is also important. And controlling stress is also important. And also good level of exercise is also important. But exercising at the moment in closed sport gym is not so recommended. It's better to do such exercise in open, clean air. This is an overview picture of the immunity in our body. So as you can see, those circles are showing different types of immune cells we have in our body. Like different T cells, like T cells, macrophage, B cells, or neutrophil, different type of immune cells are working together. And in between those different cells, they're like a signaling pathways. It's called cytokines, working as a signaling molecule. So overall, the systemic immune systems are working together to help our body fighting against infectious disease. coming into our body is a risk factor. And our immune system is protecting by exciting our immune system, immune cells, those risk factors. I like to show the video of one of those immune cells called macrophage. So this moving object, this is macrophage. Everybody has this type of innate immune cell, and this macrophage is right now eating the bacteria around. So this is a good example how such immune cell is actively protecting our body from such threats. So it was a macrophage, as you see here. We have different type of cells, a dendritic cell or neutrophils. It's called innate immune cells. It's a very front line of our systemic immune system, and those innate immune systems is trying to recognize and, if needed, such risk factor information will be passed to the downstreams. Then our systemic immune system is excited.